Children, now we will do the numericals of chapter 2 related with the topic whatever I have explained in my previous video. First numerical, the speed of a car is 72 km per hour. Express it in meter per second. Children, we know 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So if we have to change kilometer per hour into meter per second, what we have to do? 1000 divided by 60 into 60. It will come 5 by 18. So directly by 5 by 18 you have to multiply. So therefore speed of a car is 72 multiplied by 5 by 18. So when you will do the calculation, it will come 20 meter per second. This is your answer. Numerical, a train takes 3 hours to travel from Agra to Delhi. Given time is equal to 3 hours with a uniform speed of 65 km per hour. That is, speed is given 65 km per hour. Find the distance between the two cities. What we have to find? We have to find the distance. Now we know speed is equal to distance upon time. Now first you see the unit. Time it is given in hour and speed is given in kilometer per hour, means the same unit, no need to change. Put the value. Therefore speed, how much value of the speed? Speed is 65 is equal to distance. Distance we have to find per time. Value of time is 3. Therefore distance is equal to 65 into 3, and the answer, when you will do the calculation, it will come 195. Distance, unit of distance, kilometer. What you will write here? Kilometer. Third numerical, a body starts from rest. Now if a body starts from rest, then your u means the initial velocity. This I have explained in my previous video. Initial velocity will be 0 if a body starts from rest and acquires a velocity of 10 meter per second, means v is the final velocity. How much? 10 meter per second in 2 seconds. Time is given how much? 2 seconds. Find the acceleration. What we have to find? Small a acceleration. Now we know the formula. Acceleration is equal to change in velocity per time. This is the formula. Put the value. V is how much? 10 minus u is how much? 0 per time given 2. So the answer will come 5 meter per second square. Meter per second square is the unit of acceleration. Fourth numerical, a body is moving vertically upwards. Its velocity changes at a constant rate from 50 meter per second. What is given? Velocity from 50 meter per second to 20 meter per second. That is initial velocity 50 meter per second and the final velocity 20 meter per second. Time given 3 seconds. Find acceleration. Now again what we have to find? Acceleration. Now we know a change in acceleration is equal to change in velocity per time. So now what is v? V is given 20. Now put the value. 20 minus u is given 50 and the value of time is given 3 seconds. So it will come minus 30 by 3, that is minus 10. Again the unit meter per second square. But now children, here the answer is coming in minus. So this negative sign shows retardation. Retardation means the decrease in the velocity. Okay, so your answer will be acceleration is equal to 10 meter per second square, and this you will write negative sign shows retardation. Next numerical, a bicycle initially moving with a velocity 5 meter per second. What is given? That we have to write. Initially means the starting, u initial velocity 5 meter per second, accelerates for 5 seconds, time is equal to 5 seconds, at a rate of 2 meter per second square, accelerates for 5 seconds at a rate of 2 meter per second, that is acceleration. What they have given? Acceleration 2 meter per second square. What will be its final velocity? Final velocity v. V is the final velocity. We know by the formula acceleration is equal to change in velocity upon time. Now put the value of acceleration 2 is equal to final velocity we have to find minus u 5 upon time. Value of time is 5. Do the calculation. V minus 5, or you can say V is equal to 50. Now the unit meter per second. Velocity unit meter per second. Now children, some assignment I have given. These 4 numericals I have given. Now you have to do it in your register. Physics register you do it. And whatever questions also I have given in my previous video, that also you have to do it in your physics register. Thank you children.